Now we introduce the working handle for model CRYO80 Plus. There are 4 sizes for the CRYO working handle. This is the mini size, this is the small size, and this is the middle size, and this is the big size. And this is the anti-freezing membrane for the working handle. And this is the lipo pads. There are 4 pieces down for the small pads and down for the big pads. Total, there are 104 pieces. And this is the lace for the lipo pads. This is the cavitation working handle, and this is the 5-polar RF, and this is the tripolar RF. Now we install the shelf. Now we install the working handle. This is the cavitation working handle, and which match to the first hose. And then tie it. This is the tripolar RF, which should match to the second hose. And then tie it. And this is the 5-polar RF, which should match to the third hose. And then tie it. Now we install the lipo pads. You can find the hose and then tie it. And others are the same. Now we install the CRYO working handle. Before install the handle, we must press these 2 buttons and then make sure these 2 points must be up. And then we install. You will hear a sound. This is the same. When we want to take out this working handle, we have to press these 2 side buttons. Before using this model, we have to put the pool water into the machine. And when the water is full, it will come out from the overflow mouth. When the wastewater bottle is full, we have to take out the water. And we have to use this tool and then turn left. Then the wastewater bottle can be taken out, and then the water should be clean. Another solution is we can use the towel, press this button, and then the water can become out too. Now we open the machine. When you want to turn off the machine, this is the emergency button. We should press it. And then when you want to open the machine, turn right. When you enter the screen, you could find there are 4 languages for choosing. We choose English. And the first function is cryolipolysis. You could adjust the vacuum here. It is from 0 to 100 kPa. And then here is the time adjustment. And the pulse you could adjust too. And the temperature, it is from 5 to -16. And the second one is laser function. You could adjust the power here. And then one option control 2 laser pads. And then you could find the pulse, you could control the pulse here and the time adjustment here. And the third one is cavitation function, and you could adjust the time here and then the power here. The power is from 0 to 50. And the fourth function is tripolar RF, and the same as cavitation, we can adjust the time here and then the power here. The last function is bipolar RF, the same as tripolar RF. Before doing the cavitation working handle, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. Now we start the cavitation treatment. Firstly, we should adjust the treatment time. Normally, we will use 30 minutes. And then start the power. We should start from the low level and then press start. When you want to stop the treatment, press middle button. Now we start the cavitation treatment. Now we start the bipolar RF treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. Normally, the treatment time is 20 minutes, and the power we should be started from lower level. Now we start the tripolar RF treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on the face, on your treatment part. Now we start the treatment. Treatment time is normally 15 minutes to 20 minutes. And also, we should start from the low level. Now we start the lipolaser treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to use the lace to tighten the lipolaser pad. Other treatment parts are the same. Okay, now we start the lipolaser treatment. And this is the pulse modes. Now we do the cryolipolysis treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the anti-freezing membrane on the skin. Now we put the anti-freezing membrane on the treatment part. Please make sure the anti-freezing membrane should contact the skin completely. Okay, now we start the treatment. The treatment time is about 60 minutes. And for the last 5 minutes, we can use the pulse modes. For the small cryo handle, we can use on the small treatment part, such as waste. Now start the treatment. Now we do the mini cryo handle treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the anti-freezing membrane on the treatment part too. And please make sure the anti-freezing membrane should contact your skin completely. Okay, now we start the treatment. First, we should press the button. And also, we should start from the lower level. For the double train remove treatment, the treatment time is from 30 minutes to 60 minutes.